Welcome back to PrimeDrive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications because today's review is something truly special. This is the Ford F-150 Ultra-Luxury Motorhome, a massive blue metallic masterpiece that takes the legendary toughness of the F-150 and transforms it into a rolling 5-star luxury experience. Subscribing early really helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss future luxury motorhome reviews, concept vehicles, and exclusive automotive content, so take a second and do that now before we dive deeper. The first thing you notice the moment this motorhome comes into view is its sheer presence. This is not just a large RV, it is a commanding, dominant machine that instantly fills the space around it. Built on a Ford F-150-inspired front design, it blends pickup truck muscle with a full-size luxury motorhome body. The deep blue metallic paint plays a huge role in its visual impact. Under showroom lights, the color shifts between rich navy tones and bright metallic highlights, giving it a premium, almost yacht-like appearance. The glossy finish reflects every ceiling light and polished surface around it, making the motorhome look sculpted rather than assembled. At the front, the Ford grille immediately establishes identity. The iconic Ford oval logo sits proudly at the center, framed by a bold, chrome-accented grille that gives the motorhome a strong and confident face. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, with distinctive daytime running lights that add both style and visibility. Despite its size, the front design feels refined and controlled, not bulky or awkward. The hood is tall, the stance is wide, and the overall posture suggests power, stability, and long-distance capability. As you move along the side, the massive proportions become even more impressive. The body stretches far back, tall and wide, with smooth, uninterrupted lines that emphasize length and luxury. Large tinted windows run along the side, providing privacy inside while adding to the sleek exterior design. Storage compartments are cleanly integrated into the body, maintaining a premium look without breaking the flow of the design. Polished alloy wheels sit confidently under the body, and subtle underbody lighting adds a futuristic touch, especially in showroom or night settings. Everything about the exterior communicates that this motorhome is designed for elite travel, not basic camping. Stepping inside completely changes the experience, shifting from impressive engineering to pure luxury living. The driver's cabin feels more like a high-end truck mixed with a luxury SUV than a traditional motorhome cockpit. Premium leather seats offer excellent comfort and support, ideal for long highway journeys. The dashboard features a modern digital instrument cluster that presents information clearly and stylishly, while a large central touchscreen controls navigation, entertainment, and vehicle systems. The steering wheel carries Ford's familiar design language, giving the driver confidence and familiarity despite the vehicle's size. Visibility through the large windshield is excellent, making highway driving feel surprisingly manageable. Moving past the cockpit, the interior opens into a living space that feels carefully designed rather than improvised. High-quality materials are everywhere, from soft touch panels and elegant wood accents to brushed metal details that add a refined edge. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. During the day, the space feels bright and open, while at night, the lighting transforms it into a calm, relaxing retreat. This is the kind of interior design not just for travel, but for living comfortably for extended periods. The kitchen area truly highlights how serious this motorhome is about luxury. This is not a basic RV kitchen, it's closer to a modern apartment setup. High-end cabinetry provides ample storage without cluttering the space. Marble-style countertops add a premium visual touch while also being practical and durable. Integrated appliances, a modern sink, and smart storage solutions make cooking and meal preparation easy and enjoyable. The lighting here is functional, yet elegant, highlighting textures and finishes without being harsh. Whether you're parked at a scenic location or traveling cross-country, this kitchen is designed to handle real daily use and style. Toward the rear, the bedroom area delivers a level of comfort that rivals luxury hotel suites. A large plush bed sits at the center, surrounded by padded wall panels that add both comfort and sound insulation. Built-in storage keeps the space organized, while ambient lighting creates a cozy, restful environment. This is a space designed for relaxation, privacy, and proper rest after long days on the road. The overall feeling is calm, refined, and unmistakably premium. Performance is where the Ford F-150 foundation really shines. While exact specifications may vary depending on configuration, it's clear that this motorhome is built on a heavy-duty platform designed to handle its massive size with confidence. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, making highway cruising feel effortless rather than stressful. Advanced suspension systems help absorb road imperfections, keeping the ride comfortable for both driver and passengers. Despite its length and height, the motorhome feels stable and composed even at higher speeds. Noise insulation is another standout feature. Road noise, wind noise, and vibrations are kept impressively low, creating a quiet interior environment that enhances comfort and reduces fatigue. Climate control systems are powerful and well distributed, maintaining consistent temperatures throughout the living space regardless of external conditions. Driver assistance technologies further improve safety and ease of use, especially during long journeys or tight maneuvers. Now let's talk about pricing, because a motorhome like this clearly sits at the top end of the market. The Ford F-150 Ultra-Luxury Motorhome is not aimed at casual buyers. Pricing realistically starts in the premium luxury segment and can climb significantly depending on customization options, interior finishes, technology packages, and layout choices. What you're paying for here isn't just a vehicle. It's a complete mobile lifestyle that replaces hotels, flights, and traditional vacation planning with freedom and comfort. Before we wrap up, if you're enjoying this detailed review and want more content like this, make sure you're subscribed to PrimeDrive Reviews and drop a like on the video. It really helps us bring you more exclusive luxury vehicle content. To sum it all up, the Ford F-150 Ultra-Luxury Motorhome is a perfect blend of American strength and high-end living. It delivers massive road presence, premium design, luxurious interiors, and confident performance in one unforgettable package. For those who want the ultimate home on wheels without sacrificing power or prestige, this motorhome stands at the very top of the luxury RV world. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews and turn on notifications, because many more elite automotive and luxury motorhome reviews are coming your way very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.